Okay, today I'm doing a review of Vision. That's him. Ilios figure. Pop Marvel. Agents of Ultron 71. That's his number. Ages 3 and up. He's a bobblehead. Vision right here. 71. Little figure and Pop Marvel. In the back, Pop Marvel 71. It shows all the little figures. And I guess you could get some at Marvel.com. And then this side, Pop Marvel, Vision, and him, 71. Well, we're done with that. Let's get into the box. Well, this is him. And he is a little weird. He's cool though. His eyes are blue. He has this little tiny thing right here. I don't know what it is. I like these blue parts. I like the painting purple. It's cool. I like his cape holder right here. His boots are purple. His gloves are purple. And his cape is purple pinkish and orange. A little bit orange right here. And he is awesome. You could get some on Hot Topic. I gotta do